This is an iPhone 6s. And the problem with this is the battery and the screen. So the battery lasts 3 seconds or 2 minutes or 3 hours. It just randomly drops out whenever it feels like it. Sometimes it'll charge up to 100% and then the next minute it's at 60% and then it turns off. It's just weird. But this phone is quite old, and as you can see, it's completely battered. But hey, apart from that, it works. So it does have a crack on the screen. So what I figure I might do is I'm going to replace the battery in this, and while I'm at it, I'm also going to replace the screen. I'm not going to bother about this back cover because I don't really care. But it's going to be going in a case anyway. Essentially, all this thing is anyway is a payment device. So it's linked to a Zettel card reader and will take payments, or this will process the payments at least. So it just needs to work consistently. The battery can't be dropping out halfway through, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I should say this phone was very kindly donated by Paul, so thanks very much, Paul. I'll try not to break it even more than it's already broke, but I can't promise anything. I've never taken one of these apart before. I've got no idea how easy or difficult it is. I'm guessing with the crack in the screen, when I do try and take the screen off, it's probably going to break even more. I can see a screw here. Looks like there should be 2 screws. But one's obviously already been taken out, or it's fallen out. But anyway, here's the replacement battery. It came with a nice little tool set. A plastic thing. What look like the inserts for shirt collars when you buy a new shirt. And then this is the screen. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I bought a white screen. One of them is that it was cheaper. And the other one is I don't care. So let's get right into it. I say that, I've been probably bumbling on for 2 minutes, but let's get right into it after 2 minutes of bumbling. So we've got 2 screwdrivers in this set. Let's see which one opens this up. That one. God, that was very loose. No wonder the other one fell out. And then we've got a plastic sort of spudger, is it called? And a suction cup thing. Nice. I don't know whether it's better to heat this up to get... So I'm guessing it's got adhesive round here, or whether it just comes away. I think I might just try it, and if I can get under it and start removing it, then fine. If not, then I might try and heat it up. Oh, well, I'm in there already. Just while I'm wrestling with the screen, I need to give a shout out to my 2 Holy Hand Grenade patrons, Tidder and Taylor Helton. Thanks very much for your support, guys. Much appreciated. Right, I've got to be honest. I thought that was going to be a lot more difficult than that. I suppose the first thing I should do is disconnect the battery. I don't want any backlights to explode or anything, do I? Where's the battery? Looks like there. Is that the battery? Yes, I do believe it is. Oh, I'm assuming this is stuck in. It's not coming though. Maybe I should have watched a video on this or Googled it or something. Do you know what? I think I might do. Right, yeah, according to Google, that is that adhesive you pull and it just nicely comes away, but it's not doing. Mind you, I've disconnected. Let me get this screen out and then I can probably do that a bit easier. Right, so how do I disconnect this screen? So I need to remove these screws here. we've got a connector there. Ping. And one there. Ping. And one there. Ping. And that's it. That's the screen away. Excellent. Right, let's see if I can get this battery out. Come on. Oh, why does it look so easy when you look at it on the internet? Grab the pull tab and pull it straight out the bottom of the phone. No, that doesn't work. Oh, you... Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. It's like a wedgie. God, it's a big wedgie. Ah! Right, well, there's one. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, you... Nice. Oh, wow. Okay, I take it back. That did work, and that was really quite easy. Let's... No, let's not... Well, let's put the new... Ah, that's probably what these shirt collar things are. It's probably adhesive, isn't it? Okay. Well, let's put the battery in place, but let's not connect it. Yes, this is that same horrible stuff. Right, what do? I presume I do it the same way. I don't know. Probably should have read the instructions. No, that looks right. Who needs instructions? And then I guess they go over the top like that, as it was before, right? Looks good to me. So I won't connect that yet until we're ready. So let's get the screen. So the screen actually has... I was expecting to have to change over the home button and the camera and stuff, but it looks like it's all in there. I'll put a link to the kit that I got in the description. It was only cheap. It was from Amazon. Did not expect it to have all that already connected. Right, well, let's try pop these Lego connectors on. There's one. There's two. There's three. Is that it? It just seems too easy. Okay, so let's pop these back on. Right, okay. Right, let's close it up. Well, I've got to be honest, like I said, that was too easy. It's not going to work, is it? That was far too easy. Let's pop that screw back in. Shame I don't have another one, but I presume one will be enough to keep everything in place. Right, see if it comes on. Yes! I didn't break it. Ah, there we go. Touchscreen works. Excellent. Hola. Right, I'll set all that up later. I also got this funky orange case for it, which will hide the oh, Jesus, will hide the back, so you can't see all these unsightly scratches. And it'll also prevent it from being dropped at work. Well, it won't prevent it from being dropped. It'll probably still get dropped, but it might prevent it from breaking. So I'm going to pop that in there. Come on. You can do it. Nice. It looks kind of pink on my screen, but it's orange. I don't know whether that does come across, but no one would ever know now. Look at that. Right, well that was much easier than I thought it was going to be. So I'll probably release this as one of my 5-minute fixes, because I haven't done one of those for a while. So yeah, nice easy one. I'm going to go and look for something a bit more difficult now. Anyway, either way, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Don't wink, Steve. Don't wink.